Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be talking about estimating sums. Last week we talked about this and we called it rounding. When we were rounding numbers to find out which number was it to the closest 10. Well, we're going to be doing that again today. We're going to be using it. Let me show you, for example. Up here on the board, Miss Dennis has a number line. I have this, I have 40 through 50, okay? And over here, I have a dot on 48. What 10 is 48 closest to? Is 48 closest to 40, or is 48 closest to 50? Oliver, do you know? That's right, it's closer to 50. It only has 2 hops to get to 50. But look, it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hops to get to 40. So it was closer to 50. Okay? Well, today we're going to be doing math problems with estimating sums. For example, say Miss Dennis has the number 57 plus 21. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to estimate. Okay, so I have the number 57. So let's estimate. Is 57, and we can use our hundreds chart, and Miss Dennis also gave you a hundreds chart on the SharePoint today as well. But if we have 57 and we want to know is 57, so I find 57 on my hundreds chart and I say, is 57 closer to 50 or is 57 closer to 60? So I can look on my, sorry, I can look on my hundreds chart. Let me hold my computer up here so you can see better. So 57, okay? So we're looking to the nearest 10. 50 or 60? What is it closest to, Michaela? That's right, it's closer to 60. So where I have 57, I'm going to estimate and say 57 is closer to 60. Okay, my next number is 21. Okay, so I look up at my hundreds chart if I need to, and I say, here's 21. What's the 10 it's closest to? Is it closest to 20 or is it closer to 30? Alex? That's right, it's closer to 20. It's only one away from 20. So I come back to my problem and I say 21 is closer to 20. Okay, and then I add together. I add my ones place first and I say 0 plus 0 is 0 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So I'm going to estimate that this problem, the answer is closer to 80. Okay, that's how I do this. Let's do another one together. Say I have 39 plus 42. Okay, so I'm going to estimate what is 39 closest to? What 10? So look up here at your hundreds chart and I have 39. Is 39 closer to 30 or is 39 closer to 40? Jake? That's right, it's closer to 40. It's only one away from 40. So I come back to my problem and I say 39 is closest to 40. Okay, now I have the number 42. So I come back to my hundreds chart and I find 42. If I'm rounding 42, would I round it to 40 or would I round it to 50? What's it closest to, Mila Cummings? That's right, it's closer to 40. It's only 2 away from 40. So I come back to my problem and I say 42 is closest to 40. So I add my ones place first and I say 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so this was called estimating the sums. Remember when you add two add-ins together, the answer is called the sum. Okay, So go ahead and do page 477 and 478.